Hello everyone, in this video let us try and understand how we should be able to obtain the regular expressions from the given set of the problem statement. So here is a definition of what is a regular expression. So a regular expression is a sequence of characters that specify the search pattern. In the theory of formal language, regular expressions is a formula used to describe the set of strings known as a regular language. Let sigma be a finite alphabet. The regular expressions over sigma and the language they denote are defined recursively as follows. An empty set denoted by no transitions or an empty set is a regular expression. It represents the empty languages. So this is what the empty languages it is represented as no transitions. An empty string denoted by an epsilon is a regular expression. It represents a language containing only the empty strings. For each language, A belongs to the sigma. A is a regular expression. It represents the language containing only the symbol A. So inductive steps here. So here is if R and S are regular expressions, then the following are also regular expressions. Okay. So if at all the union, the expression R plus S is a regular expression, its language is the union of the languages of R and S. It is equivalent to logical R. Okay. Similar fashion, the concatenations. So it satisfies that it is basically it is a closure properties. Okay. The concatenation of two regular languages is also a regular. Similar fashion, if you apply the clean star or the closure properties for a regular languages, the resultant will be a closure regular languages only. So all of these are a closure properties. So let us go and try and understand like how we should be able to obtain a regular expression. Here is a simple example. So you can see that any number of A's, string containing zeros or more A's means A star. Similar fashion, string containing at least one A means it is A plus. So this is a regular expression that we are going to be using. String consisting of either A or B means it is just A plus B. Similar fashion, strings of A's and B's of any length means A plus B the whole star. Similar fashion, strings of A's and B's ending with ABB. So here you can see that it is going to be ending with ABB. So you can see any number, it is ending with ABB. It is ending with ABB. In the beginning you can have any number of A's or B's. So similar fashion, a set of strings of A's and B's starting with substring AB. So you have starting with AB and at the end you can have any number of A's or B's. Similar fashion, set of strings of A's and B's having a substring AB. So you can have substring AB and in the beginning or the end you should be able to have any number of A's and B's. Similar fashions, A star, B star, C star, set of strings with any number of A's followed by any number of B's followed by any number of means it is A star followed by B star followed by C star. Here is the next one is the at least one occurrence of A, one occurrence of B, one occurrence of C. This is A followed by B, B followed by C. Similar fashion, set of strings consisting of even number of A's followed by odd number of B's means even number of A means A the whole star. See here we need to one thing that we need to understand here. Even number of A's means always we should be able to generate in this sort. A in the first rule. First rule it will generate like this. Okay, so first it will be generating AA first iteration. So here first epsilon will be generated and then the next is AA, next is A. This is 4A. Like this it is going to be generating A's which is of even length. Similar fashion, B will be even length plus odd, it will always generate an odd length of B's. So this is how you should be able to generate a regular expressions which is of this sort. Similar fashion, this is a regular expression which will generate to end a string with A or BB. It is ending with A or BB. Here it is a set of strings of A's and zeros and ones ending with 0, 0. So let us see some of the examples like complicated example like few of the problem examples. Obtain a regular expression for the strings of A's and B's having length 2. Okay, length 2 it is like A plus B is length 1. A plus B is length 2. It is you can also write this as A plus B the square. So this is going to be generating what? String length of 2. Similar fashion, so obtain a regular expression to accept the strings of A's and B's of length less than or equal to 2. Less than or equal to 2 means you can include the epsilon string so that it is an optional. So you can have less than or equal to 2. So or else you can also write it like epsilon A plus B the whole square. Obtain a regular expression. So next one is obtain a regular expression to extend the strings of A's and B's of length less than or equal to 10 means power will be equal to 10. Similar fashions we have obtain a regular expression representing the strings of A's and B's having even length. Only even length means it is A plus B. This will generate a string length of 2. The whole star means it will only generate a string length which is equal to even. Similar fashion, obtain a regular expression representing the strings of A's and B's having odd length. For an even, you just add odd length A plus B, that is going to be generating even length plus 1. It will always generate an odd length. Similar fashion, obtain a regular expression for the strings of A's and B's with an alternative A's and B's. So you can see that AB will generate A plus AB patterns. Say suppose you want to generate BAB. So this pattern will be generated. If you can keep A is there, just keep B as an optional. At the last B is there, keep A as an optional. So this is how you should be able to obtain the regular expressions. So there are some of the examples. This will have consecutive zeros. And one more example, let us see. The interesting examples here is like obtain a regular expression for strings of A's and B's. Problem number 12. A's and B's starting with A and ending with B. Starting with A and ending with B. Similar fashions. Problem number 13. Obtain a regular expression for the strings with the second symbol from the right. Second symbol from the right. Okay. So this is first symbol. Either A or B. The second symbol should be always CA. And in the beginning you can have any number of A's and B's. From the right means you should start like this. From the left means like this you should be able to begin. Similar fashion we have the from the right, the 10th symbol. You will get 9 characters here. From this 1 to the power of 9 means it will get 9 characters. And the 10th symbol will be always equal to E. So this is how you should be able to obtain a regular expressions. Thank you.